don't be fooled by the name Mini. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini is packing serious flagship firepower in a sleek, compact body. From a massive 6,500 mAh battery and top-tier Dimensity 9300 chip to premium camera features and stunning design, this phone is anything but small in performance. And here's the exciting part. It's launching globally this month as the Vivo X200. Curious how Vivo crammed this much power into such a slim device? Stick around, because what you're about to see might just change how you look at compact phones forever. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini brings a bold new twist to the S series, both in design and in identity. For the first time ever, Vivo introduces a compact, small screen model under the S series umbrella, and it's more than just a size change. Weighing in at just 186 grams, it's impressively light, making it perfect for one-handed use. But don't let the size fool you. This phone packs a premium punch. Design-wise, it dares to stand out with bold, contrasting color schemes that immediately catch the eye. And the attention to detail, next level. The S30 Pro Mini features an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, an ultra-narrow bezel display, and a black-edged matte AG glass back that's not only stylish, but also offers full-level waterproof protection. What's even more impressive is that its specifications go head-to-head with Vivo's flagship X series, showing that this Mini is anything but minor. Coming up next, I'll dive deeper into what makes the Vivo S30 Pro Mini so special. Let's kick things off with the camera, because the Vivo S30 series isn't holding back. Across the lineup, from the standard model to the Pro Mini, Vivo has delivered serious photography power. Yes, even the compact Pro Mini comes with a periscope telephoto lens, something you'd usually only find on high-end flagships. All models feature the IMX882 flagship sensor, the same powerful sensor used in Vivo's top-tier X series. We're talking a 50 megapixel resolution, 73mm focal length, 3x optical zoom, and a wide f2.65 aperture. The main camera also boasts a 1.56-inch sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp, stable shots even in tough lighting. Need more versatility? You also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing more of the scene. This triple camera setup delivers exceptional quality in everyday photography, day or night. Colors pop, noise stays low, and details stay crisp. And when it comes to portraits, the magic really happens. Thanks to 85mm and 100mm periscope focal lengths, portraits look professional right out of the camera. Zoom in and you'll see details so sharp you can count the strands of hair. Let's talk selfies, because the Vivo S30 Pro Mini doesn't hold back on front camera magic either. It comes with a built-in front-facing flash, so whether you're indoors or out at night, your face appears brighter, smoother, and more radiant with every click. In portrait mode, there's a little surprise waiting in the bottom right corner. Film-style filters that choose between positive film, clear, airy, and full of light; negative film, retro, moody, with a vintage feel; clear blue adds a cool tone that makes skin look fairer and more refined. Each filter gives your photos a unique vibe, and it doesn't stop there. For the first time, the S30 series introduces a dedicated live mode designed specifically for professional-style live photography. Think of it as a mini film studio in your pocket. Live mode offers 5 cinematic effect presets, and we tried them all. They seriously elevate your shots with atmosphere and emotion. You can even layer overlay styles on top of the effects, although in most cases, the cinematic filters alone are powerful enough to create a stunning result. So whether you're going for a clean look, a vintage vibe, or something that feels straight out of a movie scene, these S30 Pro Mini's selfie and portrait tools make every shot Insta-worthy right out of the camera. Now let's dive into some of the cool features that make the Vivo S30 Pro Mini more than just a camera phone. It's a full-on creative toolkit. First up, you can now convert regular videos into live photos. Yep, even your old clips can get a fresh new spin with just a few taps. Next is the new P-chart feature, powered by AI Magic Move. With this, you can literally move the subject around in a photo, as if by magic. It's like editing reality with your fingertip. Pretty cool, right? But honestly, those are just warm-ups. Here's where the real fun begins. The S30 Pro Mini supports freeform live photo stitching, a feature that turns your snapshots into stunning visual stories. Go beyond basic layouts with 63 built-in poster-style templates. Whether it's a travel reel, a birthday highlight, or a mini photo journal, you're covered. And the best part? It's all completely free. No hidden costs, no subscription traps. Once you're done shooting, editing, and saving your masterpiece, you can instantly share it across over a dozen social media platforms. All the big names are supported. Just click and post. And here's a bonus. The one-shot film camera that debuted in the S20 series is back and better than ever. It's now fully integrated with live photo support, film paper compatibility, and fresh photo styles to give your content that cinematic edge. Put it all together and what you get is a triple power-up of creativity. Effortless shooting, powerful editing, and seamless sharing, all packed into the Vivo S30 Pro Mini. Let's break down the basics, but trust us, there's nothing basic about the Vivo S30 Pro Mini. Don't let its compact size fool you. This mini beast is rocking flagship-grade hardware, powered by the mighty Dimensity 9300 chipset. Yes, the same high-performance platform you'll find in top-tier phones. Now here's where it gets even more impressive. Despite its slim body, the S30 Pro Mini packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery, a full 1,000 mAh more than the previous S20 Pro. That means longer life, more screen time, and less reaching for the charger. In a real-world test, after 3 hours of continuous use, it still had 72% battery left, matching or even outperforming many large-screen flagships. And when it's time to recharge, you won't be waiting around. Thanks to 90-watt fast charging, you get 34% in just 15 minutes, 60% in 30 minutes, full charge in only 62 minutes. Gaming? Oh, it's got that covered too. We ran Genshin Impact at full graphics, and it held stable frame rates for a solid 15 minutes before minor drops began, nothing that ruins the experience. Meanwhile, the temperature stays under 45 degrees Celsius, keeping things cool and comfortable. Now let's talk style. The new Vivo S30 series brings a bold redesign to the back panel with fresh, fashion-forward color options. Among them, the S30 Pro Mini stands out the most. It's the perfect blend of premium metal framing, stunning design, and flagship-level imaging and performance, all packed into a slim and lightweight form. In short, it's small in size, but big on power, looks, and experience. According to leaks, the Vivo X200 FE is expected to launch in India with a starting price of around 50,000. That roughly translates to about £432 in the UK and $583 in the US. For everything this compact flagship offers, it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium mid-range segment. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.